Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Let's start with chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. What is an equation? A statement of equality which contain one or more unknown variable is called an equation. For example, x plus 3 equal to 7 is an equation. 2x plus y equal to 9 is an equation. But here is one variable x, here is two variable x and y. But our topic is linear equation in one variable. So linear equation in one variable are, for example, x plus 9 equal to 0 or 3x plus 7 equal to 5. Here is only one variable x. So it is one variable and it have degree 1 because x power here is 1, its degree is 1, so we called it linear equation in one variable. Other examples are 5y plus 1 equal to 7 is also an example of linear equation in one variable, because here variable is y and degree of y is 1, so it is linear equation in one variable. Okay students, now rules for solving an equation. Here it is 4 equations are written one by one. I can explain you the rule for solving an equation. Okay, the first situation is x plus 3 equal to 4. Here number which is in the side of variable in plus, so we subtract both sides same number because this number is in plus, so we add 3 both side. Okay students, here minus 3 and minus 3, so you will get x equal to 4 minus 3 1. Next situation is y minus 4 equal to 5. Here number with variable is minus 4, so you add 4 both side because minus 4, so you add opposite side plus 4 both side. Okay, subtract 0, y equal to 5 plus 4 9. Third situation is 2x equal to 10. Here 2 is in multiplication with variable, so you must divide both side by 2 because 2 is in multiplication, so you divide both side by 2. Divided by 2, divided it by 2. Answer is x equal to 2 5 ja 10. Here students, p upon 5 equal to 20. Here 5 is in division, so multiply both side by 5 because 5 in division with variable, so multiply both side by 5. p upon 5 into 5, 5 cancel, 5p equal to 100. So students, here are 4 situations. In one situation, plus sign, so subtract same number from the both side. Here minus sign, so add both number, so add same number both side. Here 2 is in multiplication, so divide both side by 2. Here 5 is in division, so multiply both side by 5. Okay. Okay students, question number 1 is solve the equation 2x plus 5 equal to 7. Okay. Here students, 5 in addition with variable, so that we subtract 5 on both sides, because 5 in addition with variable, so we subtract 5. Okay, 2x plus 5 equal to 7, subtract 5 on both sides. Okay students, we will get 2x plus 5 equal to 7 minus 5 minus 5. 5 cancel, 2x equal to 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, now 2 is in multiplication with variable, so divide 2 on both sides, because 2 in multiplication with variable, so divide both side on by 2. Divide both side by 2. You will get 2x upon 2 equal to 2 upon 2. 2 cancel, 2 1 ja 2. X equal to 1. Okay, 2x divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 1 ja 2. Therefore, x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is the solution of the equation. Okay. Okay students, next question is solve the equation y upon 3 minus 2 equal to 5. So first of all, 2 in subtraction with variable, so add, here is minus 2, so add 2 both side. Okay students, y upon 3 minus 2 equal to 5. The question, add 2 both sides. You will get y upon 3 minus 2 equal to 5, so plus 2 plus 2, because 2 is subtraction with variable, so we add 2 both sides. It's cancel, y upon 3 equal to 7. Now students, 3 is in division with variable, so we multiply 3 both sides. Okay students, because 3 in division, so we multiply both side by 3. Y upon 3 into 3 equals 7 into 3, right? 3 cancel, y equal to 21. So y equal to 21 is the solution of this equation. Okay students, now time to assign you homework. Homework is solve exercise 2.1. Okay, if you don't have book, I'll send you pick of the exercise. Thank you.